Hello friend, welcome to back my YouTube channel Learning and Speaking English with the Sony. Friends, I am here a sad full sentence. Sentence is very nonsense types because one day my husband said to me that you were so much lucky. Then I asked why. How it is possible that I am lucky? Then my husband said to me, because out of the home, so many smart and beautiful girls like me, she wanted make me their boyfriend. After listening this word, I shocked. I amazed that what is happening with me. This is my husband saying like this. Then I asked, you have no any idea, you have no sense. What teach your mother about the girl and about the wife? You have heard anywhere and in this world any girls, any women and any wives wanted to see that of her husband, anyone come to the husband and touch him and make him like a boyfriend, and another girl like to the my husband. You have heard. Then my husband said to me, what is the difference in this? मैंने कहा, there is so much different for the woman, there is so many different for the wife. A spiritual and connect to the religions. Wife never wanted that someone lady touch my husband. My husband silent sit near me. After that, I wanted to ask to everyone. You can say this type word to your wife, to your girlfriend. It is possible that you make relation out of the home. After that, your family and your wife continuously be happy. No, never. This is not means of the family and wife. Family wife is that family and wife is, means that my husband is mine, my father is mine, my son is mine. If you are making relation out of the home, then gradually what happened with you? Your children destroy her mind. Your children will be demotivated from you. Your wife will start consider herself like alone. Your mother and father start consider you like you were the nonsense. So that friends, I wanted to tell you that if you were making relation out of the home, then you should think before making relation for 1 minute that it is good, it will be good for the whole life, it will be good for the future of the children, it will be good for the relation between your wife. After thinking, then you have to make another relation. Okay, thank you friends. I wanted that to say. Please subscribe my channel. Please. Thank you so much.